Hello everybody, and here is Busan Station in Korea. It's not nearby my home. I told you yesterday. So I'm waiting a train for my house. It didn't arrive yet. So wow, I'm waiting for my train for about 5, 6, 7 hours in here, right? Okay. So today we will learn about 3 Korean words. T, P, P. It's last Korean consonants. Last Korean consonants. 3 words today. Okay. Okay. There's 2.5 minutes left on my train. Okay. I still in Busan station. Train station. Okay, let's start the lesson today. We will learn about 3 words. Today is divided into 2 parts. Let me know 3 consonants. First, just wait. First, and there is a consonant T and certain consonant P and Korean last consonant He. Okay. So it's too long, and so today is divided into 2 parts. So, okay, I write down the first consonant speedily. Okay, 기억, 니은, 디귿, 니은, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 키읔, 티읒, 피읒, 히읗, and 10 vowels: 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. Right. U, U, E. Can you this word very well? You? Okay, right. And first the T, 토요일, 토, 요, 일, 기, and 토, 마, 토. It's come from English, so we call it 외래어, 외래어. 토요일 means Saturday, Saturday. 토끼, rabbit, rabbit, and tomato, tomato, tomato. Okay, right. Just wait. So we'll make 3 words. Are you ready? First, 토요일. It means Saturday. 토. Here is about T. Combine. And vowel R. Vowel O. 토. And 요. 이응. Combine. 요. Here is 요. 요. 일. 이응. Combine. Vowel E. Combine. And vowel lir. So we can make this word 일. 토요일. 토요일 means Saturday. Saturday. And go on. And second, 토끼. 토끼 here is 티읕. Consonant 티읕. And combine vowel O. Here is O. 토. And here is a double consonant. Here we learned about last time. And 쌍기역 and vowel 기역. Combine vowel 기역 and double consonant. So we call it 쌍기역. The sound is g, g. And go on. 쌍기역, double consonant, and vowel E, 기, 토끼, 토끼. It means rabbit, rabbit. And last word. Okay, let us start with 티읕. 토마토, 토마토. Here is it. Consonant 티읕, vowel O, toe. Just wait. And consonant mi, vowel A, ma, and same word, tomato. Tomato means tomato. It's very delicious. Okay, good. And we learned about 토요일, 토끼, tomato. Okay, we can make this word and make sentence. 토끼가 뛰어와요.
Sorry. 토끼가 뛰어와요.
토끼가 뛰어와. Okay, write down here. 뛰어와요. It means the rabbit jumps. The rabbit jumps. 토끼가 뛰어와요. 토끼가 뛰어와요. Okay, right. Are you understand? P. Okay. Today we will learn about 포도, and 파도, piano. Okay, we will learn about 3 words. 포도, 파도, piano. Okay, I read a little bit speedily, and it's very normal. Okay. 포도 means grape. 파도 means wave, and piano means piano. Piano is here, right? First word 포도, and consonant P, vowel O. We can make this word 포 and 토. T, good, and vowel O. 토, 포도. Okay, I will speak more faster. 포도, and second 파도. Here's consonant P, vowel A, 파. Look at this toe. Consonant T, and vowel O. 토. 파도. Paddle means wave. And third word, piano. First letter, consonant P, and I combine and E. Here's E, P, and second A, E, and vowel A, no. Consonant N, and combine O. Here is O, no. Piano. Piano means piano. It comes from English, so we call it 외래어. It's a little bit Korean. So we can make sentence. 혜영이는 피아노를 잘 쳐요. 혜영이는 피아노를 잘 쳐요. Okay, it means 혜영 plays piano well. 혜영 plays piano well. So I can play the piano a little bit well, really. So 혜영이는 피아노를 잘 쳐요. piano. Hyung plays piano well. Hyung plays piano well. Okay, three words. Let us start with 피읍. 피읍. First word 포도. 포도. Second word 파도. 파도. And third word piano. 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 Okay, say it one more time. 포도. 포도. 파도. 파도. Piano. Piano. Good job. And this time in Korean. And the 14th consonant is the last word 히읗. 히읗. Okay, we will last letter 히읗.
Wait. Moving into second part.